Wow. Yeah. Really?
This is the costume. My name is Matt.
Is it from you?
Yes.
Is this gift from you? You? You're gifting me? Why?
Just a surprise gift.
No, this can't be from you.
It's from me.
Are you serious? A crew member is gifting me, oh. Hey! What did I do to deserve this? Wow, woo! So you love me this much? Hey! Hey! Okay, come and help me unbox now. Unbox for me, oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Wow!
That's beautiful.
Wow! Next! Woo! This is fine. It's so cute. Help me hold, please. Okay, on to the next. My brother, come on, help me unbox this one. Come on, Richard. Come on, help me. Oh, get hand. Okay, hand is free.
Okay.
Wow. Let me see. I cannot wait to vomit. Wow. Oh my God. This is the best. Thank you so much. Oh my God, and they are so large. Let's. Oops. So please, guys, help me say thank you. So now I'm come here. Help me say thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you for showing me love. I never expected a gift from a crew member. Thank you. I know you loved me, but I didn't know you loved me this much. Thank you so much. God bless you, yeah. God bless you. Oh my God.
Okay. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Wow.
Okay.
Picture.
Oh, this picture is amazing.
It is.
Okay.
Wow.
Picture. Who's taking the picture?
It is not the picture. Camera. Let's go. Let's go.
I'll carry my bag. Okay. See, you never call me. Keep it. But the thing is heavy. When you don't know,